skincare Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I am bringing you this makeup tutorial. I don't have a name for it quite yet, but we'll think of something. I wanted to bring y'all a video. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a while, but your girl is back. I got this palette in the mail. This is my Playing in Makeup by Yolondo No Limitations eyeshadow palette, and I was so inspired to just get up and do my makeup. I haven't done makeup in like 2 weeks. Like, who am I? This is her. This is she. This whole look, this whole eye look is out of one palette. This is my second palette by Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, and her shadows are so pigmented, so bomb. I just brought y'all this look. Like I said, I have no idea what to name this, so if you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. Wait, before you continue on with the video, hit subscribe down below so you can be subscribed to my channel, and click the little bell so you can be notified on when your girl posts a new video, because you don't want to miss this. Okay, do it now. I'm giving y'all a few minutes to do it now before the video continues, so go ahead, subscribe, bell, and like. All right, go on to the video. Bye. Okay, so I already primed my eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer like always. I'm gonna go in with my Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, the No Limitations Jamrock palette. Don't really know what kind of look I am going for, but here is the palette. She is beautiful. I'm thinking about using Nancy, Linda, Dolly, Yvette, and maybe Becky. I'm not really quite sure, but this is what we're using. Color Nancy, which is like this burgundy shade right here, this one, and I'm gonna place that on my outer V area. Okay guys, so this is going to be a voiceover tutorial. I am just taking that burgundy shade that I showed you in the previous clip, and I am just packing it into my outer V and bringing it into my crease area. Then I'm going to go ahead and just blend out that color with a deeper purple color. All shades that I use will be listed down below in the description box in order. I'm just blending out that color. Next, I'm taking that purple shade in the name Yvette, and I'm taking a blending brush and just blending out the edges of that deeper purple color. So this Yvette color is basically my last transitional shade. Next, I'm just cutting my crease. What I like to do is take a Q-tip and use my cellar water and clean my lid up first before going in with concealer, and this is going to be a half cut crease. So now I'm cutting my crease with my concealer and eye primer mixed. I believe this is the e.l.f. concealer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer mixture. Now I'm just patting off the excess because you don't want too much product on your eye. And I'm patting the other eye. I feel like this eye came out to be a little bit higher. Like, ugh, the worst. Next, I'm just taking that first color that I applied to my eye and adding more just to deepen it up, keeping it on the outer portion. Now I'm going to take this pink champagne type of color. It is a foil shadow, so I did wet my brush with the Smashbox primer water to intensify this color by placing it on the inner portion of my eye. Next, I'm taking this matte pink shade in the shade Dolly and blending it into that champagne color and blending it into the deeper color that I applied first, just to give my eye a nice gradient. Next, I'm lining my eye. I am doing a wing. This is the Sharp Me eyeliner by the Crayon Case. It is a liquid. It is a brush tip, and I like it a lot. Very pigmented and very smooth. It doesn't dry matte. It's like a semi-glossy finish. Y'all, I struggled with this wing, okay? Next, I'm going in with the Crayon Case's Add Lashes Purple Pack, and I'm taking the second pair in the pack. I'm taking my Fenty foundation and my Lancome foundation. Fenty, I am in the shade 450, and Lancome, I am 540. I mix it because you can see the Fenty's a little bit orange, and I don't like it by itself. I have to always mix my Fenty foundation to get the perfect look for me. But it gives a nice finish, okay? Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer in the shade Deep Caramel and my Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Butterscotch. I just go for a very bright highlight. I don't know why. This is personal preference. I'm just going to apply that to my areas where I would like to highlight. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that out with a damp beauty blender. Then I'm going to go ahead and set all the places where I highlight with my Crayon Case Chalk Dust Loose Setting Powder. I am in the shade Y. Please check these powders out. They are so bomb. They really do set your face, give it a nice matte look. I am dry under the eyes and I still like it. I'm going in with my Black Opal foundation sticks. I'm going to go ahead and use this as my cream contour. I'm just basically going to apply it to my cheekbones, my big forehead, my chin, my nose, all that, you know, all that. Guys, I just started contouring my nose, so don't come for me, okay? Okay, thanks. I'm using a Real Techniques, I think, slim contouring brush just to blend all that cream out. Next, I'm just taking that loose setting powder and just placing it under my contour because I want to snatch my contour, okay? I don't do this all the time, only when I'm full glam. Now I'm going to set my contour with my Watch Me Blush Palette by the Crayon Case. It is a shade called a Hot Cocoa, and I just use that to bronze my face up a little bit. Taking my Lancome Dual Finish Face Powder in the shade 540, I'm dusting that powder away, and then I'm also going to go ahead and just set my face with it. It gives me a nice, smooth, flawless finish. Spraying my face because I felt it was too dry. Back in with the palette, I'm taking this green shimmer foil shadow. Bomb. I also wet the brush again. Taking Crayon Case, I'm taking the Rosy Glow Res and the Anglola highlighter mixed together. Bomb combination, okay? Back to the Watch Me Blush Palette, I'm taking the shade Berries. It is a purple matte color, and I'm using that for my blush. I was feeling it, okay? I was feeling it. My hair look crazy, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm going in to line my lips, and I'm using my Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. If you know, you know. Get it. And I'm overdrawing. So what? For my lipstick, this is a liquid lipstick by the Crayon Case. It is in the shade Marie. Perfect nude lipstick for women of color, like my skin tone or deeper. Like, it is freaking beautiful, okay? And I'm taking the gloss Clean Kisses. You guys, this is the final look. Check out my previous video. I'll link one right here in the card so you can go ahead and check that out. Follow all my social medias. They will be linked down below in the description box, like always. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Like, are we feeling it or no? Like, until next time, y'all. Bye.